Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 1 minus 11 bracket 1 minus 11. One small detail that changes everything. How? Let's see. What people do, they do 11, 1 minus 11 as minus 10, 1 minus 11 as minus 10, and minus 10 times minus 10 as 100, which is the wrong answer. Yes, you heard it right. So what was the one, that small detail here? When there is bracket, first solve the bracket, that is negative 10. So 1 minus 11 times negative 10. Now, as per BODMAS rule, first, we have to solve the multiplication if we have multiplication and subtraction sign. So multiplication is between 11 and 10. So minus 1, 11 times 10 is 110 with positive sign. So it's 111. What is the correct answer? 111, not 100. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next